Welcome back, guys. So, one of the other ways you could make money, I've emphasized on this so many times, is resume design and profile branding. So, you could create standard resumes because these are demand for job seekers and professionals right now. So, you could create standard resumes and create a very good social media profile from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a professional platform. So, LinkedIn marketing is one of the core things you need to learn if you want to go into resume design. So, you need to learn about LinkedIn marketing so you could brand different LinkedIn pages. And this job is very hot on LinkedIn. I've mentioned it earlier. Once you open your LinkedIn, you'll be able to see where you offer services, and you could see some of these services I've offered on LinkedIn. They are all resume writing, as you could see, all resume writing, and these are people from the US. So this is a very hot niche on LinkedIn. So you could learn LinkedIn marketing. I have a course on that. So you could create resumes and profiles for job seekers and professionals. So you could design visually appealing resumes and cover letters, which I've taught you how to do. Then you need to personalize LinkedIn banners and profile images and create portfolios. So you could open your Canva, then you see something about LinkedIn banners and profile images. So that's how you could go on and on to optimize different LinkedIn pages or LinkedIn profile for people that are looking for jobs or people that wants to freelance. So you see different LinkedIn design from the banner to the post design. So you could learn about LinkedIn marketing easily. So this is a cover. So you could go on to customize this template, then you personalize it, then create different profiles for different people that needs that. For even people that don't know about LinkedIn and they are looking for jobs, and you create a resume for them, you could go ahead and pitch the idea of having a LinkedIn account, because a LinkedIn account is like a professional account for every professionals, and you could create portfolio designs for creatives like writers, photographers, and developers. So you could go on and on to do a whole lot of this. So you could share before and after resume transformations of people on social media. You could collaborate with career coaches to reach job seekers. You could offer discounted services to new graduates or professionals switching careers. So you could go on and on to carry out resume designs, create resumes for different people that will be needing that, then offer it as a service. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.